Now we are going some sightseeing. There is a waterfall with some trekking experience. So Varsha, myself and her cousin Sarthak, we are going on a bike, Activa. Going to the waterfall now. I can already hear the water. I'll be careful.
Hold it. You can?
Yeah, I can. I can. Probably better than you because I have the shoes meant for this. Are you able to? You need a hand?
Try and
Manage. Do you notice there's a word man in manage? Oh, it's not very far. Look at this. This is not good. The place is spoiled by people. Anywhere you go in India, it's not just about India maybe, but because I have not traveled outside India, so I speak only for India. Most of the places that you go to, you see garbage where it's not supposed to be. Okay, this is the falls. Where are these people? Okay, this water is drinkable, but let's hold on. Let her come, then we will drink. So it'll be fun listening to her commentary while I drink the water. I think I'll have to go back to help them manage. Okay, I'm back to help you manage. I should go from here. Where is
I found
Sarthak?
this pic for myself. He
Okay.
went to get his mobile.
Okay,
Manage, I am managing you. I just saved you, I think, from slipping.
I think this water can be drunk.
I would suggest that you don't.
Huh?
I would still suggest that you don't.
See, we were waiting for this commentary.
Yeah.
I told them I want to drink the water, but let's wait for her. Then we will drink.
Hey, what is this? It's natural parking.
It's a cave.
What is
YouTube God
shaped like
is helping me make this vlog interesting. So there's a cave now.
jar and color.
See, the water is coming from this cave.
Mr. Paul,
How?
that they have built it.
Oh, they have built it.
Yeah.
How far does it go?
Oh, we can see over there.
I'll just go and come back. I'll turn on the torch.
Yeah. Okay. There might be bats.
Bats. Bats fine. Bats are fine. Oh, it goes there. I don't think there is any other turn there. Yeah. But there is a turn here. And there are no bats. It's only till here. Inside the cave. Thumbnail time. I just took a thumbnail. It's okay.
We can go up.
Now we can go up. Is it shooting? Yes, it is. I want to turn this. Your hands are dry?
Yeah.
Oh, well, you can't open it, na? What am I doing? I need to turn off the light. Okay, done. No, it's okay. I can manage. I hope that thumbnail turns out good. I took a lot of risk. Oh, there is water on the lens. Let me.
You want me to hold it low while it's landing?
No, it's okay.
I think from here.
Hold. Oh, wow.
You can go down if you. No, don't.
What did you say?
Nothing. He said you can go down if you want.
What did you say?
I said no interest. I'm not coming.
Okay, since you are insisting.
I'm not, by the way. I'm not insisting anything of the sort.
Guys, that cave that we saw is here. This is the cave that we were in, the other end of that cave. Now I'll drink this water. Amazing. What, you want someone to manage? You want to give me the bag? Okay. Let me clean the lens again. I see some moisture on the inside, so I hope you can see well. No, it won't spoil. It's okay. This is removable. This is a better place to drink water. Do the honors.
I do not encourage that, but
You don't drink?
no.
It's actually safe.
How do you know?
Are flowing water is always safe.
Yeah, what about the rocks and other areas is crossing and coming?
That's what makes it clean, because when the water passes distance in the ground, all the contaminations, all those particles are left behind gradually, and it keeps filtering.
Where did it come from?
We're going back now.
Yeah.
We came from.
Yeah.
I think here we came from. This is what this place is called.
No one knows about this place.
No one knows about this place. Wow. Apparently the people who are not supposed to know about this place.
Yeah, in your video don't say exactly where it is.
Huh? I even don't know where exactly it is. Oh man. And now we are back after. The best thing about this falls was the cave. I would have liked to go all the way and come out on the other side, but when I went in I didn't know that there is the other end. So these cliffs are made of mud. See, they look like rock, but they are actually. How come they got this shape?
No, this is not rock.
This is not. See, it's not a rock.
It's not rock.
See, interesting.
Solidifying.
Hmm.
That's why the
None of these are rocks. It's all mud, but somehow they have this shape of a rock. Mountains, cliffs.
This is rock.
Maybe not. Let's see. Okay. Maybe rock is just hardened mud. So this is the place. Down there is the waterfall. That's it for this one, guys. Signing off. Until next time, which will be today. But for you, it will be next week.